किया है बेटा सबने? I hope everyone has done.
Yes, miss.
Good. So let us quickly first go ahead with the correction of those. है ना? Let us quickly go ahead with the homework that you have done and just quickly check them. I'll go according to the alphabetical order. So the first one to, like what I want to do is, you are just going to on your video and show me the content that you all have written. Okay, each one of you all turn the pages and show me the content. Fine. आज जो content मैं अभी check करूँगी, of course, whenever we'll meet in the physical classes, that time we'll be submitting that homework also. And as of now, I'm just going to check it like this way. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to make a Google Classroom for all of you all. The link will be shared to all of you all. वो गूगल क्लासरूम में लिंक जैसी शेयर होती है आपको वो ज्वाइन करना है और आप जैसे ही ज्वाइन हो जाओगे उस लिंक में you will be submitting your all the assignments, all the homework that I'm going to give you by taking a photograph and converting it into a PDF. And वो PDF फाइल आप मुझे सेंड कर दोगे whenever the homework would be given to you all. Is it fine? So that will keep a check that what you all have written, I'll be able to see that in the Google Classroom. So I'll be sharing the Google Classroom link soon with you all. And आज का जो होमवर्क है वो मैं कैमरा ऑन करके आप लोग का चेक करा रही हूँ, लेकिन इमीडिएटली लिंक शेयर हो जाएगी आपके साथ, आपको वो लिंक पे क्लिक करके ज्वाइन होना है और फिर आपने जो होमवर्क किया है उसका फोटो लेकर उसको पीडीएफ में कन्वर्ट करके यू हैव टू सेंड इट ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर गूगल क्लासरूम. Is it clear to all of you all? If you will have any difficulties, of course, we are there to clear them. But I'll be making a Google Classroom for biology very soon. Fine? Very soon, matlab maybe by today afternoon also you will get it. Okay? Sure. So according to the alphabetical order, the first to show me the work is Arya. Arya Khare, please show me your work. Hmm. Okay. Then fine. Okay. Fine. So in totality, how much how many total you have written? Total कितना है? You're on mute, beta. Just unmute yourself and tell me that how many in total?
52.
Okay, fine. Sure. Second one is Anjali Joshi. Yeah, Anjali, quickly. No, you don't have to rewrite the leaf modifications. Only till stem I had told you. Back video कैसे करूँ? You know your phone का settings, beta. How will I come to know your phone settings? Huh? Or you can just turn your mobile ulta and show me. Come on. Let the screen be towards your work. Come on, quickly. Okay. Hmm. Only 2 pages. Where are others, Anjali?
Miss, total is 50.
50.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, चलो ठीक है. Next is Aditi. Aditi, show me your work quickly. You're on laptop, so you can have a laptop camera, na? Just show me through your camera, laptop camera. Where is Aditi? Aditi, I want to see your work. You have done it or you haven't done it? If you haven't done, you let me know that you haven't done. Otherwise, I'm wasting my time. On your video, Aditi, quickly. Otherwise, I'll mark you as homework not done. Then there will be a call at your house. Then I'll have to talk to your parents accordingly if you have not done the work. If you have not done, let me know. If you waste time, again, it will be a problem for everyone. I have to check everyone. Yeah, say beta.
I have not done, miss.
Why?
I have done till only 20 something.
Why like that way? घर पे बहुत काम देती है मम्मी. होमवर्क करने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता है. Okay, I'll note down your name. Fine. After Aditi, Anmol. Okay, good beta. Fine. Okay. How many have you written in total?
51, miss.
Okay, good. Fine. Then we have got Aryan. Aryan Kamble. Aryan, on your video and show me your work. Where have you lost? Okay. Before that, chalo then. Ashita, you show me. Ashita Sarvi. Okay, good. Fine. Very nice. Good, beta. Good. Fine. How many in total?
50.
Okay. Ashwin Mishra. Ashwin Mishra. As I take your names, you are leaving. I'm noting down those names. Ashwin Mishra is also left. Okay. Then David. David James. Okay, good. Yes, fine. Okay, beta. Fine, fine. Okay. Then Devang. Devang Sole. Yes. Good. Fine. 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 Good. How many in total?
39.
Are why so less? People are getting 50, 51, 52.
Yes, ma'am, I know. I forgot to write the Epiterianian stem.
Oh, complete that work, and then submit it in the
Yes.
class. Okay.
Thank you.
Fine. Sure. Then after Devang, Himanshu Patil. Okay, fine. Yes. Okay. Fine. Correct. Okay. Fine. Then Ishita. Ishita Fernani. Now I can see. Yes. Okay. Okay. How many in total, Ishita?
52.
Oh, Komal. Yes. Show me your work, beta. Okay, fine. Okay. Well, good. Okay. How many in total? Okay. Kshitija. Okay. Fine. Fine. How many in total?
39.
अरे बाकी का किधर गए? Just cross check which you have left, which you haven't written, completed. I want minimum 50. 50 से ऊपर है तो it's fine. Okay. Fine. Then Manan Joshi. पूरा अंधेरा दिख रहा है बेटा मुझे. हाँ. Now it's clear. Good. Very nice. कितने हैं टोटल? 2 ही पेजेस है लेकिन हैंडराइटिंग अच्छा है तुम्हारा.
52.
गुड. ओके. देन नंदीशा. ओके फाइन. अरे एक ही पेज है. हाउ मेनी?
Ma'am, 35.
वाई ओनली 35? एटलीस्ट 50. बाकी के 15 किधर रह गए?
मैम लिखना भूल गया.
भूल गया? ऐसे कैसे भूल सकते हो तुम लोग यार? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड. हाँ. कैन यू फॉरगेट? कंप्लीट करो, फटाफट कंप्लीट करो और आज मुझे सबमिट कैसे भी करके इवनिंग तक आपको लोग को करना है. हाँ.
Yeah, ma'am.
I
Sure.
want minimum 50. I want minimum 50.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Then Neha. Neha, show your work. Yes, beta. Good. Nice. How many in total? Neha, how many in total? 51. Okay, fine. Sure. Then Parnavi. Okay. Okay. Good, good. Yes, very nice. Very good, beta. Yes, fine. Correct. Good. Then Prachi Jaiswal. Nice. ओके अरे इतना फुल स्पीड में क्यों भगा रही है थोड़ा मुझे देखने तो दे हाँ ओके फाइन 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 ये जो पेपर्स लूज पेपर्स पे लिखे हैं ना इंश्योर दैट यू फाइल देम हाँ इधर उधर चने का पूड़ी बनाकर भेल मत खाना उसमें हाँ
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ensure that you want to pluck it together somewhere in one of the files okay then Preksha yes fine start showing yes okay okay fine okay fine yes yes good beta good Preksha very nice then Priyanka okay hmm fine how many in total Priyanka
51.
okay Sara dash थोड़ा सा क्लोज लेके जा बेटा कैमरा को थोड़ा क्लोज लेके जा हाँ ओके हाँ how many in total
53, ma'am.
हाँ very nice okay very good. Then Shravani Margaret you will show later on this is only Shravani लिखा है that only Shravani yeah Shravani I can't see on your camera yeah you have raised your hand tell me no problem you can take your time I'll give you a second no problem okay yes okay how
That's
many
it.
have you written they are
Ma'am,
less
I've
now
written 48.
just try to complete it around 50-52 okay otherwise it's fine
Okay, ma'am.
yeah then Shravani Margaret yes yes I can see okay how many in total only this much
Yes, ma'am. 41.
41. Complete it. Make it at least 50. Huh? Just check. I have already sent you all the PPT now. You can go through it and you can check where you have missed and you can complete that also. Okay. Then Shreyas Mardekar. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Okay.
42 in total.
Yeah, I saw. That's right. Okay. Then Shruti Maste. Yeah. Show me better your work. Okay. Good. Yes. Very
Ma'am, 49.
49. Yeah, I saw. Good. Chalo. Make it at least 50, 51 kar do, huh?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Then Shuchi Keruskar. Okay, fine. Good. Yes. Okay. Okay. Fine. Very nice, Shuchi. Good, good. Fine. Very, very well. Nice. Okay. Then Siddharth Sahasrabuddhe. We haven't written. That's bad, huh, Siddharth? Not expected from you. Huh? Siddhi. Siddhi, show me your work. Yes. Good. Okay. How many in total? 47? Yeah, that's what. So make it around 50 at least. Okay. Sia. Sia Fanse, show me your work. Huh. Yes. Okay. Good. Fine. How many in total?
52, ma'am.
Good. 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 Very nice. Okay. Then Sneha Sharma. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. Sneha Singh. Okay. Okay. Good. Very good. Very good, Sneha. Very good. Yes. Sonali. Sonali Rahalkar. Good. Okay, fine. Good. Very nice. Very nice, Sonali. Very nice. Tanvi Bandekar. Okay. Okay, fine. Good. Yes. Very good. Very good, Tanvi. Sure, fine. So, till Tanvi, yeah. Vedant. Vedant Hare. Vedant, show me your work. If you have not done, tell me you have not done. Don't waste time of everyone. वेदांत, सोनाली और नहीं सोनाली नहीं, किसका तो माइक ऑन है देखो, whose mic is on? विभा, show your work. विभा, okay, fine, good. Hmm. Good. Arey, I am not asking for that 5 times wala thing. What am I asking? I am asking you to write down. I have given a different homework. You are showing me that you have written the biological names 5 times. Not that beta. जो मैंने होमवर्क दिया था वो दिखाओ. Have you done? Haven't you done, Viva?
Yes, I have done, but actually I wrote it in a different book.
So show me wherever you have written. You're at your house only, so you can definitely get the book.
Miss, no, actually I'm not at my house right now.
You're not at your house right now. And
No,
when
my house is in renovation.
then you wrote there. Now you are showing me.
Miss,
through
I have it on a phone as well. If I can.
That is not done now. Like, and you thought that you will show me this or you can escape. Huh? Vibha, this is not the way. I can see the screen very clearly. I have zoomed everyone's, whenever you're showing me, I'm zooming your particular name and I'm seeing it in detail. So
Yes,
जिसके मुझे कम लगे उनको मैंने पूछा भी कितने हैं लिखे हैं तुमने करके. जिनके ऑलरेडी 50-52 है उनको मैंने पूछा भी नहीं. So I could see that you have written
Miss,
that 5 times wala thing and you're showing.
Miss, come nahi hai. I can write it again if I show you.
That is a different thing, but you should not fool me like this way, na, by showing what I have not asked you to show.
Sorry,
I had asked you.
I genuinely thought that you asked for this.
This is really wrong. Vyom, show yours. Vyom, yeah. Good. अरे इतने से ही है, कितने हैं? और वो एकदम
मैम 52 है.
फास्ट मोड पे दिखा है, मुझे काउंट करने के लिए भी नहीं मिला. वापस एक बार दिखाओ.
हाँ. Okay, ma'am.
But I'm not sure that it 15 तक मुझे दिखाई दिया, उसके बाद मुझे बराबर से नहीं दिखाई.
मैम मेरे एक साइड पे 30 है और दूसरे साइड पे एक मिनट. हाँ, एक साइड पे 29 है और एक साइड पे 22 है.
ठीक है. योगिनी, ओके फाइन. मुझे उल्टा दिखाई दे रहा है बट ठीक है. हाँ, अभी सही है. अभी सही है. ओके. Okay. And you have not you have not marked how many you have written. Numbers भी डाले साइड में डाले हैं.
I have put.
How many are there total?
40.
40, na? So you'll have to search where you're missing with, okay? And complete that. At least make around 50. I want minimum 50.
Yes.
Okay. So fine. Okay. So today was the first time that I had given you all some work and I was supposed to correct it. Almost all of you all have done it, no doubt. But those who have not done and those who have done it incompletely, please ensure that you will complete it and you will submit it in the Google Classroom, okay? And those students who are absent here, especially for those students, there are going to be different norms, okay? So some of you all are, like least bothered about the things that are being told to you all, and some of you all do it genuinely. So if you're going to do it genuinely, it's going to be definitely benefiting you and not me. It's for your benefit, not mine. So good, those who have done, very good. And those who have not done, because this was for the first time, I'm giving you all a chance. From next time onwards, I'll not tolerate if anyone has not done the homework. I'll not tolerate at all. I'll ensure that you get the right type of punishment for not doing the things also, and even you will be I'll be interacting with your parents also. So please ensure कि next time से ये मैं भूल गई, मैं भूल गया, मेरे से रह गया, मेरा बुक इधर रह गया, मेरा बुक उधर रह गया, ये सब बातें नहीं चलेगी. This is the first time and this is the last time that those who have not done the work, I'm not taking any action against you all. Is it fine? So please, from next time onwards, no excuses. Happen what may. Even कितना भी genuine excuse हो, it would not be accepted. मैं पहले ही बता रही हूँ. Okay, fine. So we go ahead with our morphology chapter. We had completed till the leaves, है ना? So we'll go ahead after the leaves. So we have done. We have completed with roots. We have completed with leaves. Okay. So any doubts, any confusion till this leaves wala thing? We had completed this till the functions of the leaves we have completed. And we are starting with something called as inflorescence. So before I start with inflorescence, any doubts in root, stem and leaf? Come on. I'll give you half a minute to discuss anything that is there for the content that we have done and you have not understood. Percate venation. Percate is nothing like when you take scissors. तो scissor को जब open करते हो ना cut करने के लिए, तो वो कैसे एक V shaped structure बनाता है, that is called as percate. Okay, so just like the margins are going to be cut in a V shape like structure, which is called as percate. Percate venation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone else, beta, who is having any doubt? Shall we move ahead? Okay. So we go ahead with something called as inflorescence. What is inflorescence? Inflorescence is the arrangement of flower on floral axis. That is going to be called as inflorescence. That is arrangement of flower. So हमने phyllotaxy करके कुछ किया था. Do you all remember what is phyllotaxy? What was phyllotaxy?
Arrangement of leaves. Stem.
Excellent, beta. Yes, yes. It was arrangement of leaves. So, जैसे how the leaves are going to be arranged, in the same way, this is something how the flowers are going to be arranged. Okay. So how the flowers will be arranged on the floral axis. that particular arrangement is going to be called as inflorescence. Okay, so here we are going to talk about two types of inflorescence. There are only two types, that is racemose and cymose. Okay, but under racemose we have got almost different types. So under racemose you will be having around 10 different types of arrangements. तो पहले racemose क्या है और cymose क्या है, let us understand that. Okay, so racemose inflorescence, in this type of inflorescence the main axis continues to grow and does not terminate in a flower, and it also does not give off flower laterally in an apical manner where the old flowers are arranged towards the base and the young flowers are towards the tip. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, how is it going to look like? ये जो apex होता है, the apex of that particular floral shoot, it will be growing continuously, it won't stop. Okay, and from the lateral side, from the sideways, there will be arrangement of the flowers in such a way that the larger or the older flowers would be at the base and the younger or the new developing flowers will be at the apex. ठीक है, तो इस तरीके से जो अरेंजमेंट होता है फ्लावर्स का, ये ऐसे वाले अरेंजमेंट को कहते हैं रेसमोस टाइप ऑफ इन्फ्लोरेसेंस. ओके, now they are saying that it's going to be in the acropetal manner. Acropetal manner का मतलब क्या है, larger at the base and smaller at the apex. Fine. Now here there is a word called as peduncle is broad. Now what do you mean by the word peduncle? Okay, तो हमने पेटियोल करके कुछ बोला था. Do you all remember what's a petiole? Yeah, I know there is something on the screen. We'll go within a minute. It's okay. What's the petiole? Yeah, it's the stalk, but it's the stalk of whom, beta? किसका stalk है? Leaf का stalk है. Yes. So petiole was the stalk of the leaf. Very good. Then we had seen something. I had told you that time there is something called as pedicel. Do you remember pedicel किसका stalk होता है?
The flower.
Pedicel is the stalk of the flower. Yes, it's the stalk. Correct. So stalk of the leaf is going to be your petiole. Stalk of the flower is going to be your pedicel. And then what is peduncle? Okay. तो peduncle जो होता है वो pedicel से निकल के जब flowers बनाता है तो उसको हम कहते हैं peduncle. So I'll show you what is peduncle, of course, don't worry. So the flowers are going to be laterally arranged in an acropetal manner where old flowers are arranged towards the base and young flowers are at the tip. When the peduncle is broad, then flowers are centripetally arranged. Centripetally. Centripetal force and centrifugal force. Come on, I want to know if you are remembering something about the physics part. What is centripetal? Where will be the force exerted?
To the center.
Sure, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. So इधर भी ऐसा ही है बेटा. Yeah, it's going to be towards the center. It's going to be at the core of it. So here also they are saying the same thing, that when the peduncle is broad, then the flowers will be centripetally arranged. इसका मतलब क्या हो गया, जो older flowers है वो center में रहेंगे और जो younger flowers है वो periphery पे रहेंगे. Okay, so something like when it's going to be a cup-shaped structure. See, when it's going to be a cup-shaped structure like this way, so when the peduncle is broad, तो ये जो पेडीसेल है, पेडीसेल से निकला है ये पेडंकल. अब ये पेडंकल जो है ये कप शेप स्ट्रक्चर है फॉर एग्जांपल, या सॉसर शेप स्ट्रक्चर है, वैसे देख लो, जस्ट लाइक अ सॉसर. तो द ओल्डर फ्लावर्स विल बी हियर and the younger flowers will be at the periphery. Okay, that is called as centripetally arranged. Then this racemose type की exactly opposite is going to be your cymose type. In cymose, what's going to happen will be seen, but as of now, just because as a comparison मैं बता रही हूँ, the floral axis will not go on extending. Rather, it will end into a flower. तो जो cymose type of inflorescence होता है उसमें क्या होता है कि ये अगर इसका देखो, इधर बोलते हैं the main axis continues to grow. Here the main axis are not going to grow continuously. Rather, the tip of it is going to have a flower on it. Okay, अब अगर मेन एक्सिस के ऊपर ही फ्लावर आ गया तो फ्लावर को फाड़ के चीर के बीच में से कुछ नया ग्रोथ तो पॉसिबल नहीं है. Then how the growth will be? The growth will be from the lateral sides. Okay, but lateral sides से जो निकल आ रहे हैं ना, it's going to be in the basipetal manner. Basipetal manner का मतलब क्या है? The larger one will be at the apex and the smaller one will be at the base. That is called as basipetal manner. Acropetal के exactly opposite है. Okay, and if the peduncle is going to be broad, then it will be showing centrifugal arrangement. So exactly opposite of the racemose style, है ना? Exactly opposite of it, right? So that is going to be cymose. So I'll be, when I'll go towards the cymose, I'll explain it one more time. फिलहाल मैं racemose में हूँ. तो racemose में क्या याद रखना है कि the main axis goes on growing, है ना, extending up. Older flowers are going to be at the base. Younger flowers are going to be at the apex. The apex will never terminate into a flower. Okay, and it will be continuously growing. The tip will be continuously growing. Is what is racemose type. Now, in racemose type, there are different types of racemose that has been observed. That is, उसमें भी छोटे-छोटे, थोड़े-थोड़े इधर-उधर changes होते रहते हैं. Basic plan same रहता है बेटा. बेसिक प्लान सेम है. जैसे कि बेसिक प्लान सेम है मतलब क्या होता है कि अगर आपने आपको कोई एक पर्टिकुलर आपको केक पसंद, ओके, तो आपने वो केक का एक सपोज हार्ट शेप का केक आपने ऑर्डर किया, ओके. मुझे सर्कुलर केक्स पसंद है तो मैंने सर्कुलर केक का ऑर्डर दिया, ओके. आप में से कोई और एक है, उसको कोई कार्टून के शेप का केक पसंद है तो उन्होंने वो ऑर्डर किया. अब तीन अलग अलग है लेकिन तीनों का बेसिक प्लान सेम है. ऑल थ्री आर गोइंग टू बी केक्स इन देयर ओन वे. केक मतलब केक ही रहेगा. अब मुझे अलग शेप पसंद है, आपको अलग शेप पसंद है. आई लाइक चॉकलेट का आइसिंग ऑन इट, यू माइट बी someone will be liking say रसमलाई, अलग अलग
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
ये जो शेप्स है.
Yes, ma'am,
Did
your
it
voice
come?
is lagging too much.
Yeah, I'll just keep my video shut, then maybe that bandwidth will get adjusted. That particular case, what will happen? The basic plan will remain the same. The same thing is happening over here. The basic plan is remaining the same. That is racemose type का plan same है. What will change? उसके topping change हो जाएंगे. उसका थोड़ा बहुत arrangement थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो जाएगा. So let us see what are the different types of racemose type of inflorescence. So first is called as raceme type of racemose. When the peduncle, which is the main axis, is elongated and flowers are pedicellate. Pedicellate means they will have a pedicel. Pedicellate का मतलब क्या है? They'll have a pedicel. Such type of inflorescence will be called as raceme type of inflorescence. Example is radish, which is a characteristic feature of Cruciferae family. Cruciferae family is going to be your mustard family. उसको Brassicaceae family भी कहा जाता है. Okay. अब यहाँ इसके अगर मैं डायग्राम दिखाऊंगी ना तो इट विल बी इजी फॉर यू ऑल टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो जस्ट क्विकली शो द डायग्राम ऑफ इट. ये देखो, दिस इज योर रेसिन टाइप. शो हाउ. ये देखो, सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट फ्लावर दैट हैज कम व्हिच इज एट द बेस, व्हिच इज द लार्जेस्ट. दिस इज द सेकंड, ये थोड़ा उससे छोटा है. थर्ड उससे छोटा है. फोर्थ उससे छोटा है. फिफ्थ और छोटा है. मतलब व्हाट वी वांट टू से इज this everywhere you take raceme, panicle, spike, catkin, corym, umbel, कोई भी ले लो, सब में एक चीज कॉमन है बेटा कि जो सबसे पहले आया हुआ फ्लावर है वो बेस पे है और सबसे नया आने वाला जो बड है वो एपेक्स पे है. एपेक्स मतलब ऑन दी अपर साइड. ओके, तो आप कोई भी अगर रेसमोस बोलेंगे तो इस तरीके से इसका अरेंजमेंट होता है. दैट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द बेसिक प्लान. नाउ हियर दे आर सेइंग ये जो मेन एक्सिस दिखाई दे रही है बेटा, ये जो सेंटर से जो ऊपर जा रही है ना, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज द मेन एक्सिस. एंड दिस मेन एक्सिस इज नथिंग बट द पेडंकल. एंड ये जो पेडंकल से ये जो स्टॉक्स निकल आए हैं, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज द पेडिसेल. तो फ्लावर will have a pedicel and the pedicel will be borne on a peduncle. That is the main axis. Do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? तो पेडंकल
Yes,
क्या है और
ma'am.
पेडिसेल क्या है, ये समझ में आ गया? किसी को डाउट तो नहीं है?
No,
So ये
ma'am.
देख, yeah. So this is the raceme type of racemose, and they are saying the flowers are pedicellate. ये देखो, so they have got a stalk. You can see the stalk. Okay. अब second जो है, the second one is called as the panicle. So what is the panicle? See, it is a compound raceme. Compound raceme का मतलब है एक से एक फ्लावर नहीं निकलता है, दो दो निकल रहे हैं. So here there is a single flower which is being made or which is being blooming. Here we have got two. So everywhere you have got two or more. Okay. So this is called as your compound raceme. Here it's called as your panicle. So raceme, second is compound raceme, or it's called as panicle. Look at the third one. The third one is going to be called as a spike. Spike में if you see they don't have pedicels. दिखाई दे रहा है आपको कहीं पर pedicel दिखाई दे रहा है बेटा? Peduncle is there. See, ये main stalk है, peduncle is seen, but there is no pedicellate flower seen. So pedicels are absent. So we call them as non-pedicellate flowers. Fine. So that is called as the spike. So raceme, compound raceme, spike. Fourth is catkin. What you can see in catkin, it is also non-pedicellate flowers. इसमें भी pedicels कहीं पर भी आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है ना? लेकिन ये जो peduncle है ना, ये बहुत soft and wiry है, ये stiff नहीं है, इसको strength नहीं है. Look at it. It is going to be very soft and it is like you can actually see that how it has got twisted. वो एक turn ले रहा है. It is not standing erect like the spike. तो spike and catkin में बाकी कोई फर्क है नहीं. Spike and catkin both are going to have what? Non-pedicellate flowers. But what is uncommon in both? It is going to have a stiff peduncle or a strong peduncle, while this peduncle is weak. The peduncle of catkin is weak. ठीक है? Fine. अब look at the next one. This is called as the corymb. Corymb में अगर आप देखोगे तो almost all the flowers are at the same level. ये देखो, almost all are at the same level. But जो first बना है ना, जो first flower bloom हुआ है ना, वो देखो कहाँ से start हो रहा है. उसका जो starting point है वो सबसे base से है. So from the basal region that peduncle is growing up to the tip. सेकेंड वाला उससे थोड़ा ऊपर है तो इसका स्टॉक का साइज मतलब इसके पेडिसेल का साइज छोटा है. थर्ड वाले का उससे भी छोटा है. फोर्थ वाले का उससे भी छोटा है. बट 1 2 3 4 इफ यू सी ऑल द फ्लावर्स आर कमिंग टू लाई ऑलमोस्ट एट द सेम प्लेन. ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज योर corymb. सो रेसीम, कंपाउंड रेसीम, स्पाइक, कैटकिन, corymb. फाइन. corymb के जैसा अब यहाँ पर देखोगे ना तो यहाँ पर उन्होंने डायग्राम नहीं दिया है, बट देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज कंपाउंड corymb आल्सो. कंपाउंड corymb का मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? व्हाट विल बी द मीनिंग ऑफ कंपाउंड corymb? डू यू नो?
Just like compound umbel, I'm sure.
यस, लाइक कंपाउंड अम्बर या फिर पैनिकल. तो ये है ना, ये देखो, ये जो है ना, अभी यहाँ से अगर मैंने ये स्टॉक निकाल तो ये क्या हो गया बेटा? ये रेड वाला जो मैं निकाल रही हूँ तो ये क्या हो गया? ये कंपाउंड हो गया, मतलब एक से दो निकल आए. कैन यू सी? सो दिस इज हाउ द कंपाउंड corymb विल लुक लाइक. सो corymb का उन्होंने डायग्राम दिया है, मैं बना रही हूँ कंपाउंड corymb. Okay, so there will be like so many together. Fine. कुछ ऐसे निकल आएंगे almost at the same level. Fine. So corymb, compound corymb. So देखो, raceme, compound raceme, corymb, compound corymb. ठीक है? Okay. Umbel देखो, umbel is just like an umbrella. All the pedicels are merging or they are originating from the same point, almost the same point. एक ही rim से start हो रहे है ना? And they all are also almost of the same height, but the size is different. जो बाहर के तरफ है वो बड़े है, जो अंदर की तरफ है वो buds है. Okay? Yeah, they all will be at the same level. Correct. Yes, they still all of them will be at the same level. So here also in umbel also you can see every one of them are almost at the same level. It depends on the stock how they are going to be made. So corim में the stalk का position beginning is different, while in umbel all are originating at the same point. Okay, got it? So this is umbel. Now look at compound umbel. Compound umbel भी देखो, ये जो है ये मैंने क्या बताया था, when the peduncle is broad, when the peduncle is broad, तो क्या होता है, हमने क्या देखा था, ये देखो ये जो पेडिसल्स है ये इस तरीके से है ना रेडिएट होते हैं, एक कप लाइक स्ट्रक्चर या सॉसर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं. तो ये देखो these are your compound umbels. So here also they are starting at the same point and coming, है ना. तो ये कंपाउंड umbel. तो 10 में से एक्चुअली 6 इजी है, 6 इजी है. ये आई एम कमिंग टू द एग्जांपल्स. मैं पहले आपको ना डायग्राम से बता रही हूँ, सो दैट विल बी इजी फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द कंटेंट. सो आउट ऑफ 10 ना 6 आर इजी. रेसिम कंपाउंड रेसिम को पैनिकल भी कहते हैं, कॉरिम कंपाउंड कॉरिम, अम्बेल कंपाउंड अम्बेल. तो 10 में से 6 तो यही हो गए, है ना. 7 और 8 क्या हो गए, स्पाइक एंड कैटकिन. What was the difference between spike and catkin? Nothing but the strength and the weakness of the peduncle. That is the only difference between spike and catkin. है ना? Yeah. Now let us see two more which are very beautifully seen over here. That is called as spadix and capitulum. First we'll talk about the spadix. So spadix में क्या होता है ना? See, this is going to be the female flowers which are going to be at the base. These are going to be the naked male flowers यहाँ पर. Okay. Here there is something called as a spathe. इसको हम कहते हैं spathe. Okay. और ये जो है ना ये कट स्पेथ है, मतलब ये स्पेथ एक्चुअली इसके ऊपर होता है, इसको हमने यहाँ से कट करके इसको इधर बाहर निकाला है. तो इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल क्या होता है पता है, ये वाला जो डायग्राम है ना स्पैडिक्स का, अपना बनाना का जो फ्लावर होता है ना वो इसका एग्जाम्पल है. In Marathi we call it केळफूल. I don't know if you have seen it or not. We eat it, of course we eat it. It's very tasty. उसका सब्जी बनता है और उसका पैटिस के जैसे भी हम लोग बनाते हैं, जिसको हम है ना वी कॉल इट बड़ी, या इट इज पर्पलिश पिंकिश इन कलर, केळफूल बोलते हैं उसको. तो उसका जो अगर आपने कभी देखा, इफ यू हैव सीन बनाना ट्री, तो उसके ऊपर ये पर्पल कलर का या पिंकिश पर्पल कलर का ऐसा हैंग होता हुआ ये फ्लावर दिखाई देता है. My voice is vibrating. Is it vibrating for all? Is my voice vibrating?
No, ma'am.
No, na. Komal, check. Okay. So.
Okay, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now, beta, what? Yeah. So we have to take into consideration the spadix example to be your Musa domestica. That's going to be your banana. Fine. And lastly, we have got capitulum. Capitulum में you can see very clearly ये जो peduncle है ना वो broad बन गया है, एकदम ऐसे cup shape structure के जैसा बन गया है. और ये जो सारे flowers है ना वो उसके periphery पे है, rim पे है. तो capitulum का best example is going to be sunflower. Sunflower is not a flower, by the way. Sunflower is not a flower. मतलब क्या, वो एक फ्लावर नहीं है. और जो येलो कलर के आपको पेटल्स लगते हैं, जो हम बचपन से हमें पढ़ाया जाता है ना, सनफ्लावर के येलो पेटल्स बनाओ, वो येलो पेटल्स नहीं है बेटा. दैट इज नॉट अ पेटल.
That is one flower.
So that is not a petal. So sunflower is not a flower. Sunflower is going to be made up of several florets. तो ये जो florets होते हैं वो अपने ब्राउन कलर के ब्लैक कलर का जो सेंटर होता है ना उनका, उसको हम कहते हैं florets. So we have got two types of florets. So one is ray florets, जो येलो कलर के petals के जो हम बिलीव करते हैं ना वो florets है, they are not flowers. Okay, so I'll show you of course that also आगे. So that is about the capitulum.
Ma'am, what about marigold? Gonda?
नहीं, marigold is a flower. It's a flower. Okay.
No, but I have heard that it's like a bunch of flowers, like a lot of flowers.
That's what is it's an inflorescence only. It's an inflorescence. Okay. Now see,
Okay, ma'am.
out of 10, how many we saw? All 10 we have seen. What are the 10? Raceme, compound raceme. Corim, compound corim. Umbel, compound umbel. Spadix catkin, अपना spike catkin, Spadix capitulus. That's it. Okay. Now I think you all have registered the diagrams in your mind very well, so that whatever I'll say now, you will be like able to understand my versions of these explanations. Okay. So that is what I was talking about, the raceme. When the peduncle is elongated and flowers are pedicellate. So you saw that the stalk of the florets were seen very clearly. It's going to be an example. That's going to be your Brassicaceae family. That's mustard family. There is mustard hair, radish hair, all will come in that. When the peduncle is branched and each branch bears pedicellate flowers like racemose and are arranged in accipital manner as shown in compound raceme or panicle. So I showed you what is a panicle also. Example of panicle or compound raceme is going to be gulmohar or neem. Okay. तो आपने radish का already नाम लिखा हुआ है आपके बुक में, so no need of writing it again. गुलमोहर का भी आपने लिखा है and नीम का भी आपने लिखा है. Okay. So no need of writing any of the scientific names from this particular slide. Is it okay? Let's go to the next one. That is spike. The peduncle is elongated, but the flowers are bisexual and sessile. Sessile matlab without pedicel. What do you mean by the word sessile? Sessile means without pedicel. There is no pedicel present. There is no stalk present. That type of flowers are going to be called as sessile flowers. Example of spike is acaranthus, which you have not written. आपने acaranthus नहीं लिखा हुआ है, तो प्लीज spike का एग्जाम्पल लिख लीजिएगा. acaranthus लिख लीजिएगा. Acaranthus is used in curing of asthma. अस्थमा के लिए वो काम में आता है. ओके. देन उसको है ना चैफ फ्लावर कहते हैं. चैफ फ्लावर, CHAFF, चैफ फ्लावर कहते हैं. एंड हिंदी में भी कॉल इट अपामार. मराठी एंड हिंदी भी कॉल इट अपामार. यू नो इसमें रोज के इसमें हम लोग यूज नहीं करते हैं उसको, बट ओके. गॉट इट. मराठी भी ऑल्सो कॉल इट एज आगाड़ा. आगाड़ा, आई रिमेम्बर दैट. मराठी में हम इसको आगाड़ा कहते हैं. अगस्त के मंथ में जनरली आता है. ओके. चैफ फ्लावर कहते हैं इसको, CHAFF, चैफ फ्लावर. मराठी में आगाड़ा कहते हैं. ओके. When the peduncle is branched and each branch bears a spike-like inflorescence, and the small branch having flower is called as spikelet, and this arrangement is called as spike of spikelet, characteristic inflorescence of many Gramineae families. It's fine, you remember spike, it's more than enough. That is acaranthus. Then next is catkin. As I said, it is in it the peduncle is thin, long, and weak, है ना? And the flowers are again sessile, and they are unisexual. Peduncle is pendulous, just like a pendulum. Peduncle एकदम weak होता है. Example is mulberry, betula, and oak. Okay, so mulberry के कभी fruits खाए हैं? Have you all eaten fruits of mulberry? It's very tasty, very very tasty. छोटे छोटे होते हैं, blackish color के, very tasty. Mulberry का scientific name is Morus, MORUS.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
MORUS.
Ma'am, that morula wala moral.
हाँ, yes. MORUS. Then you have got betula. Betula का लोकल नेम पता है ना, वो बर्च कहते हैं, BIRCH, बर्च. बर्च के प्लांट जो पेपर वगैरह बनाने के लिए यूज होते हैं, BIRCH, that is betula. एंड ओक का आपने ऑलरेडी लिखा है ना, क्वर्कस. क्वर्कस आपने ऑलरेडी लिखा है ओक कहीं ना कहीं. मैंने आपको क्वर्कस दिया था और मैंने बताया था क्वर्कस इज ओक. So I think you have written quercus.
Ma'am,
Yes.
at the end of the lesson, somebody has, like, the person who has the most names has to read out for everyone to cross check.
है ना?
Otherwise, solid problem होएगा.
Yes. देखेंगे वो हम लोग डेफिनेटली करेंगे. Okay. Written? Wrote all of them?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, in the scientific name, there's this spelling wala problem. Can you write mulberry and betula का spelling?
मलबेरी बेटुला स्क्रीन पे है.
Sorry, their scientific names, ma'am. Like the spelling.
MORUS. MORUS. It's just simple. MORUS. Morus. It's for mulberry. And betula is a scientific name. Uska local name is going to be birch. BIRCH. Birch.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Then next is this one. Spadix. So spadix I told you just now कि जो spadix होता है उसका एक्चुअली बेस्ट एग्जांपल अपना ये भी है, क्या कहते हैं, बनाना का फ्लावर है, दैट इज मूसा भी है. बट एनीवेज, in it the peduncle is thick, long and fleshy and have small sessile and unisexual male and female flowers covered with one or more green or colorful bracts. And these bracts are called as the spathe. तो हमने spathe भी देखा था. तो जस्ट लाइक केळफूल का कैसे वो फ्लावर होता है ना, वैसे ही मेज भी दिखता है, वैसे ही कोलोकेशिया भी दिखता है, एरॉइड्स दिखते हैं, पाम्स दिखते हैं. दे लुक वेरी मच लाइक दैट वे. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाट इज द स्पैडिक्स वाला कंटेंट. ओके, सो एरॉइड्स आर they belong to ऑरम फैमिली. ARUM, ऑरम फैमिली कहते हैं. ओके, ऑरम को क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? ऑरम को हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? ऑरम को कुछ तो एक वर्ड है, मैं भूल गई अभी मराठी में क्या कहते हैं. वी डोंट जनरली यूज, वी डोंट जनरली eat a lot of orams, but still it's called as, I forgot the name. And so just remember, aroids belongs to the aurum family. That's okay. Even if you remember colocasia, maize and palms. So colocasia मैंने आपको already पहले भी बताया था. What is colocasia बेटा? What is the local name of colocasia? Come on. Are, tell me what is colocasia? No one? हाँ, yeah, Suran. Yes, it's com. हाँ, yes, आड़ूचे पान. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Yes, colocasia. Maize का scientific name क्या है? Come on, now you all will tell me. Yes, बेटा, patra leaf is correct. What is the scientific name of maize? Very good. Yes, Zia maize. Aroids याद रखोगे तो ठीक है. Palms. What are your palms? पाम ट्री मतलब कौन सा ट्री? मैंने Phoenix dactylifera. Very good, Parnavi. Very good, beta. Yes, it's Phoenix dactylifera. I have given you all these things. Okay. So that is the example of your spadix. Very nice. Which you have written. Then we come to corim. In it, the peduncle is short and all flowers are present at the same level because the lower flower has much longer pedicel than the upper one. Example is candy tuft, that is Iberis amara. So Iberis amara is the scientific name and candy tuft is going to be your local name. Okay. So you know what is candy tuft ना? हम लोग है ना उसको माता ऋषिकेश कहते थे. वो ऐसा छोटा सा एक व्हाइट कलर का ऐसा हवे में उड़ता है कॉटनी फ्लावर. देखा है आपने?
Yes,
नीचे
ma'am.
उसको एक ऐसा.
Yes, ma'am. When you even blow on it, everything just blows away and all.
हाँ, yeah, that is candy tuft. Okay, that is Iberis amara. That is corim. तो वो जो व्हाइट कलर के जो सारे निकलते हैं ना वो hairy things. See, they are going to be originating from different position. They all come to lie at the same position. That is the example of your corim. Okay. If in this type the inflorescence peduncle is branched, then each branch has flower cluster. Then this type of inflorescence will be called as compound column. Example is cauliflower. कॉलीफ्लावर खाते हो कि नहीं? जो पाव भाजी में डलता है वो.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ. तो उसको देखो, आज अगर घर पे आपके घर पे अगर उसकी सब्जी बनाते हैं तो आज लेके आना कॉलीफ्लावर को और देखो वो कैसे दिखता है. ऑल द फ्लावर्स विल कम टू लाई एट द सेम पर्टिकुलर प्लेन. सारा फ्लावर जो है कॉलीफ्लावर का एक ही जगह पर आके सेटल होता है एंड ब्रांचिंग टाइम. सो इट इज कंपाउंड कॉर्म. ओके. In mustard, corymbose raceme type of inflorescence is present. That's fine. It's more like corym. इसके corymbose कहते हैं. Umbel, हाँ सिर्फ दिखता अच्छा है ना कॉलीफ्लावर? नहीं रे, अच्छा लगता है.
Ma'am.
कॉलीफ्लावर को अच्छा मस्त टेस्टी बना सकते हैं. हाँ बोलो ना.
Ma'am, cauliflower has a scientific name or something?
Cauliflower of course has a scientific name. Cauliflower of course. Cauliflower belongs to which family you know? Your broccoli family. Broccoli,
Oh, yeah, they're the
cauliflower,
brother
they,
sisters, of course.
yeah, they all come under the same family.
I'm
Okay.
also like broccoli is green and cauliflower is like white. There's
Huh.
another thing like purplish. That also comes under that family, I'm sure.
Yes. Okay. Cauliflower का scientific name is Brassica oleracea. Brassica oleracea. You want me to write it?
I'm with Brassica, but the other name.
I'll put it. Wait. It's Brassica oleracea. That's your cauliflower. I'm putting it for everyone. Yeah. Brassica oleracea. Okay. Have you all written that?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then we have got something called as umbel. So an inflorescence in which the flower stalks of different flowers are of more or less equal length and they arise from the same point. That is the difference. Corymbs maybe they arise, they come to lie at the same position. Even in umbel they come to lie at the same position with a small difference, that is corymb का जो pedicels होते हैं वो बहुत long होते हैं, नीचे से ऊपर आते रहते हैं, और umbel जो है वो सारे एक ही point से originate होते हैं. So in this, they are going to all originate from the same point. Okay. At the base of the flowers, there is a whorl of bracts forming an involucre. Example, centella. Involucre matlab cup-shaped structure. What is the meaning of involucre? A cup-shaped structure. Okay. So if in this type of inflorescence, peduncle is branched, then each branch has flower cluster, and this type of inflorescence is called as compound corymbs. तो हमने कंपाउंड अम्बेल, तो हमने देखा था अम्बेल एंड कंपाउंड अम्बेल, है ना. सो व्हाट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ कंपाउंड अम्बेल? सी कोरिएंडर. कोरिएंडर मतलब जो हम धनिया खाते हैं वो नहीं, कोरिएंडर का सीड देखा है जिसको हम धना कहते हैं, धना,
हाँ हाँ,
है ना?
धना पाउडर बनता है उससे।
हाँ, तो वो जो धना का जो सीड होता है ना, वो इट इज गोइंग टू बी यू नो लाइक वो उसका एग्जाम्पल। ओके, फोनेसुलम, व्हाट इज फोनेसुलम? यू नो, बड़ी शोप, जो सौंफ खाते हैं ना हम,
Yes,
that is
ma'am, we've seen
fonesulum.
the jhad of it. It's really beautiful.
Yeah, and cuminum is going to be your cumin seeds, जीरा, जीरा। तो धना, जीरा, सौंफ, ये सारे इसके एग्जाम्पल्स है। किसके? कंपाउंड अम्बेल के एग्जाम्पल्स है। आई डोंट नो आप लोग के स्कूल के बाहर आपने ये ग्रीन वाला ये खाया है क्या कभी? हैव यू एवर ईटन ग्रीन कलर का सौंफ, वो जो
Yes,
कच्चा
ma'am,
होता
on the jar. Yes, ma'am, I've eaten. Really fun. Time pass
खूब
है.
मस्त लगता है। टाइम पास मतलब हमारे स्कूल के बाहर, व्हेन आई वाज इन स्कूल ना, तो हमारे स्कूल के बाहर है ना, वो एक हाथ गाड़ी लेकर एक अंकल आते थे, तो उनके पास है ना वो बेर मिलते थे, थोड़े रेडिश कलर के जो छोटे होते हैं वो मिलते थे, और ये ग्रीन कलर का ये सौंफ मिलता था, और कटहल मिलता था, एंड यू नो लाइक वो स्टार क्या कहते हैं उसको, स्टार फ्रूट, बहुत खट्टा होता है, वेरी 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 सार इन टेस्ट, वो स्टार फ्रूट
Yes, ma'am,
कहते हैं हम
heard
लोग
these
उसको।
stories from parents too. पहले थे
हाँ,
these
तो
people,
वो
but now
बहुत,
they're
हमारे
not
स्कूल
there.
के बाहर तो ये रहते ही थे ये लोग, मतलब स्कूल छूटे कब, और हम लोग, एंड यू नो वी यूज्ड टू गेट इट एट 50 पैसे, 1 रुपी में हमें वो मिल जाता था। तो वी यूज्ड टू बी यू नो लाइक जस्ट वेटिंग कि हमारा मॉर्निंग स्कूल हुआ करता था, तो वी यूज्ड टू बी आउट बाय अराउंड 12:30, 1 o'clock, हम लोग 12:50 को हम लोग गेट में से बाहर निकलते थे। And I used to ride my, you know, like I used to go by my bicycle. Yeah, I used to go walking. So we used to just wait कि कब स्कूल छूटे, कब हम लोग को ले ले। It used to be very tasty. अभी आजकल तो ऐसा कुछ तुम्हें देखना मुश्किल है, but still, if you have seen anywhere, तो ये funiculum, cuminum, coriander, these all are going to be the examples of your compound umbel. Okay. It's a characteristic feature of Umbelliferae family, because it's going to form umbel ना, उसको हम Umbelliferae कहते हैं। Okay, that is Umbelliferae family. Scapigerous umbel is found in onion. Onion अपना ये देखा है आपने? Spring onion. Spring onion का जो होता है ना, it is called as Scapigerous type of umbel. Fine. So that's about your compound umbel का
Ma'am,
नाम। हाँ,
ma'am, what do we call soft in English?
क्या कहते हैं उसको? सौंफ, सौंफ को क्या कहते हैं?
Like this.
Fennel.
मराठी आई
Local
नो।
name लिखना हो तो.
Fennel seeds.
फेनल, फेनल, yes, yes,
Oh, thank you so much.
yes, correct. Okay, then yeah, fenugreek नहीं, fenugreek नहीं, fenugreek is different. Okay, so I
Fenugreek is
think
मेथी का दाना ना,
methi,
if I'm
methi,
not.
yeah, that is methi. Fenugreek is methi. Okay, so you all have understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Any difficulty? Anyone having any difficulty up till here? No, na? Okay. Yeah, someone was asking me about centella का कुछ तो. Yeah. Centella is Brahmi. Correct, Himanshu. You're right. Brahmi, used in medicine. Yes, you're right. Okay. Then what is next? Fine. You have written down all the.
Yes, ma'am.
You have all have written down. Okay. Fine. We go next with. Okay. Capitulum. So when we talk about capitulum, or we call it as racemose head, in it, the growth of peduncle is retarded and it becomes broad, flattened, concave, or convex. So it can either become a saucer-shaped structure or it can become a dome-shaped structure. On it, small flowers are found. These flowers are called as floret. If all the flowers of capitulum are the same, we call it as homogamous. मतलब क्या, सारे के सारे सेम टाइप के फ्लावर्स है, उसमें कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, देन वी कॉल इट एज होमोगैमस. And if two different type of floret, ray floret and disc floret are present in the same inflorescence, we call it as heterogamous. So ray floret and ये जो disc floret है, वो मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि sunflower उसका एक बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है ना. In this type of inflorescence, florets may be unisexual, bisexual or sterile. This inflorescence will be surrounded by one or more involucre. इन्वल्क्योर का मतलब मैंने वही बताया, एक सॉसर लाइक या एक कप शेप स्ट्रक्चर बन जाता है. इट इज मोस्ट एडवांस टाइप ऑफ इन्फ्लोरेसेंस. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस फॉर एवर, बिकॉज ये क्वेश्चन है ना हर एक आगे वाले कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम में आता ही है. द मोस्ट एडवांस टाइप ऑफ इन्फ्लोरेसेंस इज, so it's going to be your capitulum. Example is sunflower, zinnia, marigold, cosmos. They all belong to this racemose type में capitulum. It's a characteristic feature of your Asteraceae family. Okay, so इन सब में ये कैपिटुलम जैसा दिखता है. तो सनफ्लावर में तो बहुत ही इजीली दिखाई देता है दैट रे फ्लोरेट एंड डिस्क फ्लोरेट जो है वो. तो रे फ्लोरेट इज गोइंग टू बी योर येलो कलर का जो पेटल्स लगता है वो, है ना. एंड जो डिस्क फ्लोरेट है वो ब्राउन कलर के, ब्लैक कलर का जो हम सेंटर बनाते हैं वो. ओके, गॉट इट, फाइन. सो प्लीज राइट डाउन द नेम्स.
Scientific names.
साइंटिफिक नेम्स ही है ये. नहीं, सनफ्लावर का हेलियांथस एनस. सनफ्लावर आई थिंक यू हैव रिटन ना, हैवंट यू? हेलियांथस एनस नहीं लिखा है? If नहीं, then I'll give you. Wait.
Sorry, ma'am. We have written.
We have written ना?
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
that's what. So sunflower का लिखा है. Zinnia लिखो. Zinnia. Zinnia is a scientific name only. Is going to be called as zinnia. Okay. Then what is the marigold? Marigold is going to be your local name, huh? Marigold का scientific name is Tagetes. Tagetes. Tagetes.
Only one name.
हाँ, मतलब उसमें वेराइटीज है, बट बेसिक जो है वो टेजेटस है. सो आई गिव यू. यस.
And cosmos.
टेजेटस पहले. टेजेटस इज गोइंग टू बी योर मैरीगोल्ड. ओके. Cosmos is your scientific name. Cosmos bipinnatus. Cosmos is your scientific name. Done. कॉस्मोस के फ्लावर्स बहुत फेमस है. गार्डन में जाओगे तो ऐसे पिंक कलर के, डार्क पिंक कलर के, एस्टर फ्लावर कहते हैं हम लोग उसको. येलो कलर के भी होते हैं. कॉस्मोस सल्फ्यूरस होते हैं, वो येलो कलर के होते हैं. ये अलग अलग कलर के आते हैं, येलो, ऑरेंज, पिंक, डार्क पिंक.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay. So that's about your 10 different types of racemose. कौन से 10 different types देखे बेटा हमने? Which are the 10 that we saw? Raceme, compound raceme. Umbel, compound umbel. Corym, compound corym. Catkin, spike. Spadix, capitulum. All of you all are okay with this? सबको ये याद आ जाएगा. ये डायग्राम याद रखोगे तो सब कुछ याद आ जाएगा. The raceme, compound raceme. Corym, compound corym मैंने draw किया है. Umbel, compound umbel. Spike, catkin. Sparix, capital. Okay, that's all with your racemose type of inflorescence. Okay, now we come to the cymose type of inflorescence. In this type of inflorescence, the peduncle terminates in a flower. मैंने बताया था कि racemose के exactly opposite ये है, that is cymose. That is, in this inflorescence, the peduncle will terminate in a flower. In it, the older flowers are present at the tip and the young buds are arranged towards the base. This arrangement is called as basipetal succession. तो ये basipetal या basipetal जो होता है, इसमें exactly opposite of acropetal succession होता है. Okay. The cymose is of the following types. First is going to be called as uniparous cyme or monocasial cyme. अब इधर मैं डायग्राम से वापस आपको एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करती हूँ. It will be easy for you all. So see, this is your uniparous cyme. Uniparous का मतलब क्या होता है? ये देखो, ये एक पेडंकल है. It ended up into a flower. Okay. अब उसके lateral side से, from the lateral area, there is one branch coming out towards the left, which is also ending in a flower. Then from its right side, तो इसके left side से निकला, इसके right side से निकला, है ना? Now this again terminates into a flower. Again left side, again right side. तो एक का left, एक का right, फिर left, फिर right. ये जो alternate form में जो flowers का formation होता है ना, this type in only one, they are not two. See, it's only one, है ना? So this type of inflorescence is monocasial. Yeah, uniparous. Mono means one single stalk is getting formed. And scorpioid type कहते हैं हम लोग उसको. What do you mean by this scorpioid type? Scorpioid के type के जिसका मतलब left and right, left right ऐसे जाता है. ये भी जो helicoid type है ना, even as helicoid type है, that is also going to be your same monocasial cyme ही है, लेकिन ये एक ही direction में जा रहा है. देखो left है तो left में ही जा रहा है. So here also the stalk has ended into a flower. Left से एक निकला, ended into a flower. उसके left से निकला, ended into a flower. So this is called as helicoid cyme. This is called as scorpioid cyme. And both are the examples of uniparous या monocasial. Uni means having only one branch coming up. Okay. Look at this biparous cyme. Okay. ये जो biparous cyme है उसमें देखो. This ended up into one flower. इसके दोनों तरफ से branching हुआ. तो biparous. अब ये एक जो निकले हैं second order वाले flowers जो निकले हैं, उनके नीचे से third order वाले flowers निकले, but again in a pair. Okay, so this is going to be called as biparous cyme. Bi means two, so there will be two branches coming out, one from the left, one from the right. And this is multiparous. Multi means from one particular point there will be several pedicels coming out. Okay, तो ये देखो, ये जो peduncle है, ये stalk है, एक flower यहाँ पर है, और ये जो branching हो रहा है, देखो इधर से 4 branches निकल आए, और हर एक में से 4 निकल आए हैं. So this is going to be the example of your multiparous cyme. Is it fine? Have you all understood what is uniparous, biparous and multiparous?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, in racemose, like we are comparing both, right? So, in racemose, we have seen that there is a peduncle and there are pedicels emerging out of it, right? But in cymose, there is only like stalk, we'd say. So, is it the peduncle or the pedicel for the flower?
No, those are also pedicels only.
So there is no peduncle in racemose type, right?
The peduncle will terminate in a flower. That is what they are saying.
Oh, so there is no
okay.
pedicel.
And the young branches or the young pedicels will emerge from its side. So the emerging ones will be called as your pedicels.
Okay, so the order 1, the flower on the order 1.
I think ma'am has left the meeting.
Yeah, some internet issue, I guess.
Okay, I think there was some net issue that was going on. So here I was talking about the helicoid sign and the scorpoid sign. So as I showed you the diagram, helicoid मतलब क्या हो रहा है देखो, when all the lateral branches develop on the same side on the peduncle, then it is called as helicoid sign. Example is Atropa and Datura. Scorpoid sign in this lateral branch is alternatively developed on left and right side. Example is Bignonia. तो आई थिंक सो आपने दतुरा भी कहीं ना कहीं लिखा हुआ है एंड बिग्नोनिया भी कहीं ना कहीं लिखा हुआ है ना? सो दैट्स फाइन. ओके फाइन. सो जस्ट राइट डाउन दिस. एट्रोपा, एट्रोपा आपने नहीं लिखा है, दतुरा आपने लिखा है, बिग्नोनिया भी आपने लिखा है. ऑल दीज आर द साइंटिफिक वर्ड्स. Okay, fine. Written. Then we come to dicasyl sign or biparous sign. In it, peduncle ends in a flower from the basal part of the peduncle. Two lateral branches arise, which also end in a flower. Now, this arrangement occurs on these lateral branches. So, here you can see in the diagram itself, biparous kind. So, example is bougainvillea, jasmine, tea, mirabilis, dianthus. ये सारे जो है ये biparous sign के example है. Okay. Jasmine का I think so आपने लिखा है, bougainvillea भी लिखा है, teak I don't know if you have written or not, mirabilis also you have not written, dianthus also you have not written. So quickly write down these names. You have written the scientific name of jasmine as well. Jasminus.
Jasminium.
Hmm.
Ma'am, what about teak?
Teak का scientific name Tectona. It's Tectona grandis. Teak is Tectona grandis. Okay, done. Yes, my dear, you would be asked about the scientific names in your board exams also. Okay, yeah. Mirabilis is your 4 o'clock plant. Mirabilis jalapa is your 4 o'clock plant. That pink color के flowers होते हैं उसको पेपर के जैसे मिराबिलिस जलपा वो 4 o'clock को bloom करते हैं flowers, इसलिए उसको 4 o'clock plant कहते हैं मिराबिलिस जलपा. And dianthus are your pinks. Dianthus flowers को हम pinks कहते हैं locally. So all dianthus flowers are going to be in the shades of pink. Okay. So that is going to be your bicasial sign or dicasial sign as we call it, biparous or dicasial. Okay. Last is multiparous sign or polycasial. In it, peduncle ends in a flower and from the base it may have many lateral branches. You can see the diagram very clearly about the multiparous sign. So many branches are arising from it. Okay. So that's all with your cymos. So cymos में ज़्यादा टेंशन है नहीं. Cymos में uniparous sign है, biparous sign है and multiparous sign है. Okay. और रेसमोस के 10 है. तो 10 हमने देखे हैं. I'll just repeat the 10 plus 3 one more time. So 10 रेसमोस के raceme, compound raceme, umbel, compound umbel, corym, compound corym, spike and catkin, spadix and capitalin. These 10 were of racemose type. The cymose type are 3, that is uniparous cyme, biparous cyme and multiparous cyme. Under uniparous cyme, we have got 2, helicoid and scorpioid. Okay, so that's all with your cymose also. And lastly, we go to something called as special type of inflorescence. Now, this is very crucial and this is very important. And many questions are asked from this particular content. So please pay very good attention to whatever I'm saying. Special type of inflorescence. First, we are going to talk about is Cythium. Okay, first is Cythium. अब इसके diagrams आप लोग देख लो. ये देखो. This is the Cythium type. This is the Cythium type of inflorescence. ये वाला. This is verticillester and this is Hypanthodium. ये 3 ही है special type में. ज़्यादा टेंशन मत लेना. तो Cythium में क्या होता है ये पहले समझना. ये साइथियम जो है ये इन्वल्क्योर बना रहा है. कप ऑफ इन्वल्क्योर. ये देखो ये जो है ना ऐसे कप शेप स्ट्रक्चर है या जो एक बेस बनाता है उसको हम इन्वल्क्योर कहते हैं ना. सो दिस कप शेप स्ट्रक्चर. अब ये कप शेप स्ट्रक्चर या इन्वल्क्योर विल हैव अ pedicel which will end up into a female flower. You can see this is the pedicel of this particular flower and it is ending up into a female flower. Now, ये इसके आजू बाजू में there is a single female flower. You can see this one large single female flower है और उसके आजू बाजू में बहुत सारे male flowers है. So here there are so many male flowers. So in capitulum type of inflorescence, there is one single female flower surrounded by several male flowers. Okay. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है इसका कि ये जो फीमेल फ्लावर होता है ना, it is a protogynous type of flower. Now what do you mean by the word protogynous? Proto means before. Okay. So before सबसे पहले जो मेच्योर होता है वो गाइनोशियम मेच्योर होता है, फीमेल फ्लावर मेच्योर होता है. So इसीलिए हम उसको कहते हैं प्रोटोगाइनस टाइप ऑफ फ्लावर. दैट मीन्स बिफोर द मेल फ्लावर्स आर डेवलप, उसके पहले ही फीमेल फ्लावर डेवलप होके मर भी गया. ये देखो वो ड्रूलिंग ड्रूपिंग दिखाया हुआ है. फाइन, बिकॉज इट ऑलरेडी it completed its life cycle before the male flowers could be formed. तो ये जो सारा का सारा बास्केट दिखाई दे रहा है ना आपको, that's one single flower having a female flower single at the center surrounded by several male flowers. This is the speciality of cycling. समझा? Yes, it's opposite of protoandrous. Yes, beta, you're right.
Ma'am,
Yeah. बोलो
ma'am,
बोलो.
then how do they reproduce if the female flower is already dead?
If they are going to reproduce by cross pollination, insects and other organisms will be helping in bringing the pollen of the male flowers which have now उसका जिसका female मर चुका है लेकिन उसके male flowers अभी बने हैं. दूसरा जो blooming flower है उसका अभी तक gynoecium intact है लेकिन उसके खुद के male flowers अभी तक नहीं आए हैं. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am. I got it, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, so it's by cross pollination. Okay, so look at it. The bracts or the involucre become fused to form a cup-shaped structure on the margin. In the central part of the cup-shaped structure, there is going to be a single female flower, which will mature earlier. Due to the growth of the pedicels, this comes out of the cup-shaped structure. Female flowers are surrounded by a large number of small male flowers. The male flowers which lie towards the center mature earlier than the flowers which are towards the periphery. This inflorescence is a characteristic feature of Euphorbiaceae family. जो भी Euphorbiaceae family को belong करने वाले plants है ना, they all will show the cythium type of inflorescence. Is it fine? Understood what is the meaning of cythium over here? Okay. The second one is verticil ester. Now, what is this verticil ester? Look at the diagram, then I'll tell you. No, there is never a chance of self-pollination. Beta. Very good. Yeah, look at this. This is verticil ester. तो ये diagram verticil ester के दोनों होंगी. तो यहाँ देखो कैसे हो. ये क्या है? This is a biparous sign. 1 and 1. It's a biparous sign. Okay. Then 2 and 2, 3 and 3, 4 and 4. लेकिन ये single है. तो सबसे पहले uniparous sign होता है. Uniparous sign will then get converted into biparous sign. So they will end up as biparous sign. Okay. तो यहाँ पर uniparous sign पे दिखाई देता है और biparous sign पे दिखाई देता है. Fine. So see, a cluster of subside on a dicasial sign ending in monocasial sign in the form of condensed whorl on either side of the node is called as verticil ester. Okay. The opposite clusters give the appearance of a whorl or vertical due to overcrowding. तो यहाँ पर देखो, सॉरी, यहाँ पर देखो, ये जो है ये बाइपैरस साइन है, ये अल्टीमेटली यूनिपैरस में एंड होने वाला है करके बोल रहे हैं. यहाँ पर जो है वो सारे आके इकट्ठा हो जाएंगे. So they all will merge together to form एक circular, like एक इकट्ठा आते हैं वो, इकट्ठा आके है ना ऐसे एकदम से एक क्या कहते हैं, एक रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं, एक रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर बनाते हैं, है ना. तो that is how is going to be your verticil ester. Okay, so see here. They are the opposite clusters give the appearance of a whorl or verticell due to overcrowding. The verticells are further arranged in racemose manner. तो देखो पहले साइमोस है, बाद में रेसमोस है, इसलिए उसको स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ इन्फ्लोरेसेंस में उनको लिया जाता है. ओके, दे आर नॉट प्योरली साइमोस, दे आर नॉट प्योरली रेसमोस. So the verticels are further arranged in a racemose manner. Example is osmum, that is going to be your tulsi, and salvia. salvia is going to be your we have already talked about salvia. हमने लिखा है salvia का नाम. Characteristic inflorescence of Labiatae family. So Labiatae family is all your ये family है. Salvia and Ocimum family. Tulsi, herbs. These all are herbs basically. Okay. Ocimum sanctum is Tulsi. चलो लिख लो फटाफट. Ocimum लिखो, Salvia लिखो. Done. Pythium and verticilluster. Okay, let's move ahead with the last one. That is Hypanthodium. The peduncle is modified in a narrow cup-like structure. You can see over here. This is Hypanthodium. Here देखो. Okay. The peduncle is modified into a narrow cup-like structure. At the base of the cup, there would be female flowers. At the base of the cup, female flowers develop, while towards the mouth, male flowers develop. मतलब ये जो center है, ये क्यों ऐसे हो रहा है? ये जो सेंटर है ना बेटा, ये देखो यहाँ पर जो सेंटर है, करेक्ट. सो एट द सेंटर देयर वुड बी योर विच फ्लावर्स, मेल फ्लावर्स. पेरीफेरी पे ये देखो, नहीं सेंटर पे फीमेल फ्लावर्स एंड पेरीफेरी पे है मेल फ्लावर्स. ओके. Then they also have sterile flowers also. Some are going to be, neither male flowers nor female flowers. They don't have any androecium formation, nor do they have any gynoecium formation. So sterile flowers भी होते हैं. Okay. All three types of flowers are present in this inflorescence. Example of this Hypanthodium is banyan tree, people tree. That is going to be your Ficus species. And best example is going to be your Ficus carica. Ficus carica क्या होता है? What is Ficus carica? Can everyone remember? मैंने बताया था आपको what is Ficus carica. Does anyone remember what is Ficus carica? Banyan tree is Ficus bengalensis. People tree is Ficus religosa. Very good, Komal. Very nice, beta. Yes. Ficus carica is Ficus people is going to be your Ficus religosa. I am asking what is Ficus carica? Carica. Ashwin and Vibha, very good. Yes, Vibha and Ashwin have answered it correctly. It's the fig. अंजीर के अंजीर है ना, तो ये बच्चा वेरी करेक्ट. सो दैट अंजीर जो है, जो फिग है, उसको हम कहते हैं फीकस करीका. ये डायग्राम जो है, इसमें भी आपको इसी का डायग्राम दिखाई दे रहा है, फिग का डायग्राम में दिखाई दे रहा है ना. तो आपने देखा होगा, इफ यू हैव ओपनड द फिग इनटू हाफ, यू हैव डिवाइडेड इनटू हाफ एंड यू वांट टू ईट इट, you can very well see that at the center there are so many seeds. कितने सारे seeds होते हैं ना. Why there are so many seeds at the center? Because at the base of that cup-like structure there are going to be female flowers, and this female flower is going to be having the ovules, and the ovules will get fertilized to form na. Okay. Fig is not a flower, but the flower will ultimately get converted into a fruit called as fig.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, so there are several seeds in that particular fruit. There are several seeds in that particular fruit because of this particular arrangement. तो आप देख रहे हो कि पेरीफेरी पे, कप के पेरीफेरी पे मेल फ्लावर्स है और कप के सेंटर में फीमेल फ्लावर्स है. Anjeev. Yes, beta, you're right. It's called as Anjeev. Okay, so that's all about your special type of inflorescence, which are 3. So in total, there are 16 different types that we have studied, 10 of racemose type, 3 of cymose type, and 3 of special type. Anyone having any difficulty with understanding of this particular content or whatever we have done today? पूरा समझा?
Ma'am,
हाँ?
can you explain spadix again?
Spadix is going to have male flowers and female flowers present in the same inflorescence, but at a different level. तो फीमेल फ्लावर्स नीचे होते हैं, मेल फ्लावर्स थोड़े ऊपर की तरफ होते हैं और उनके ऊपर एक कवरिंग
No,
होता
ma'am,
है.
the diagram. Like I didn't understand it in the diagram. Like how? Like that.
Diagram is so simple, my dear. See, you you will see this is the peduncle. ये जो है ये peduncle है, ये पूरा है ना, ये peduncle है और ये peduncle के बेस पे है फीमेल फ्लावर्स, उसके ऊपर है मेल फ्लावर्स और ये जो है ये इसका स्पेथ कहते हैं हम लोग इसको. वी कॉल इट एज स्पेथ. स्पेथ इज नथिंग बट इट्स अ ब्रैक्ट. ब्रैक्ट इज गोइंग टू बी एन एडिशनल covering or a flap like thing which will be helping in support and protection. ये जो है ये इसका स्पेथ है, मतलब ब्रैक्ट है. ये ब्रैक्ट जो है ना बेटा ये पूरा है. ये ब्रैक्ट को हमने कट किया तो हमें ये वाली चीजें दिखाई दी, नहीं तो ये ऐसा पूरा का पूरा कवर्ड होता है. हमने इसको कट किया है to expose the internal content, that is to see the female flower composition and to see the male flower composition. हमने ये पूरा जो entire space है ना उसके बेस को हमने कट कर दिया. Is it fine? जिस लाइक हम लोग केले का छिलका कैसे निकालते हैं, है ना,
Yes,
वैसे हमने
ma'am.
बस वो छिलका नीचे का थोड़ा सा कट कर दिया है. So that is about the spadix. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, beta. You want me to explain verticil ester? Yeah, verticil ester also I'll explain. See, it's very simple. ये जो है ना, this is verticil ester. तो ये biparous sign है. It will end into what? ये biparous से दिखाई दे रहा है. It will ultimately end into monoparous sign. ओके, या monophysial sign. और बाद में जो है ना इनका जो एक बार ये ब्रांचिंग हो गया ना तो इनका जो ऐसा एक पूरा सर्कुलर फॉर्मेशन जो होता है फ्लावर्स का, दैट इज गोइंग टू बी इन द रेसमोस टाइप. मींस व्हाट? ये जो है ये ओल्डर रहेंगे, इसके ऊपर यंगर 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 बनते जाते हैं. जस्ट सी योर तुलसी. तुलसी का जो फ्लावर होता है ना, हैव यू सीन द तुलसी के फ्लावर्स? पर्पलिश लाइलैक कलर के फ्लावर्स होते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
द लाइलैक
Small.
कलर और पर्पलिश कलर. स्मॉल, या. सो हाउ आर दे अरेंज? दे आर अरेंज लाइक यू नो अ कोन. वो दिखते हैं कोन के जैसे. या दे आर वेरी स्मॉल. दे अपीयर लाइक कोन्स, यू नो, ऐसे इकट्ठा आके वो स्मॉल कोन्स बनाते हैं. तो वो कोन्स बनाते हैं तो हमें क्या लगता है? ओल्डर आर एट द बेस एंड यंगर एट द बट ईच एंड एवरी ऑरेंज जो होता है ना वो कैसे दिखता है? होता है. मतलब कैसे बताऊं तुम्हें? सपोज सीढ़ी का रैक होता है ना, रैक देखा आपने? रखते हैं तो हम कैसे रखते हैं? एक सीढ़ी उसके ऊपर सीढ़ी रखते हैं, उसके ऊपर
Ma'am,
सीढ़ियाँ अपना डिस्क. हाँ,
ma'am, your voice is
या
lagging a
बोलो.
lot.
Yes, ma'am.
And then you go mute for
Wait.
2-3 seconds and then again starts lagging and all.
Wait, I'll Fine. I think now this will not again. Let me see. Hopefully, yeah. So I was talking about the verticillester. So in the verticillester, what happens now? In verticillester, what happens now? Like this, I was explaining that you take a disc, your सीढ़ी, और उसको रैक में रख दो. तो एक आपने सीढ़ी रख दी, है ना? अब उसके ऊपर है ना, आप सीढ़ी मत रखो, आप एक ये रखो, उससे छोटा वाला एक सीढ़ी रखो, उससे छोटा वाला एक सीढ़ी रखो. ओके, so it will form a cone shape structure. Okay, छोटा 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 करते जाओगे तो it will form a cone shape structure. But that CD in itself जो बना है ना बेटा, it is made up of cymos. So the verticillester looks like that way. Now understood how does it look like? Like the base of it will be made of the cymos. Individual rings will be made up of the cymos, but these rings will be arranged in such a way that they appear to give a racemose type of an influence. Is it fine? So this is going to be your verticillester type. Okay, yeah. Anyone else having any doubts till here, whatever we have done? No doubt? Okay, so for tomorrow I'm going to take your Viva. I have already told you all. I hope you all are preparing for it.
Ma'am, the topic is cell, the unit of life.
Yes, cell the unit of life का Viva में लेने वाली हूँ. So उसके बाद I'll be going ahead with the next PPT. So ये PPT अगर आप देखोगे तो we have done with this particular first half of the chapter is completed. Now we are remaining with now what all things we have done. We have done roots, stem, leaves, and inflorescence. 4 things we have completed. So in tomorrow's class, I'll have to go ahead with something called as the flower, and then we'll go ahead with flower, fruit, and seed and families. तो ये हमारे 4 टॉपिक्स बचते हैं. 4 टॉपिक्स हमारे हो चुके हैं, है ना? Yeah, Samiksha, your hand is up. बोलो बेटा.
Ma'am, I joined late because of power cut. So should I show my homework?
Yeah, please show it. Tomorrow videos will be on. Whenever I ask the question, that person has to on the video and answer the question. Yeah, Samiksha. 1 minute. I'll just. Okay, fine. Arey, you're showing me the homework that you have written 5 times about the names. I didn't ask that. What I had asked? I had asked something different. No, I did not ask you to show me the 5 times wala content. I told you that whatever number of modifications are there, write down the modifications और उसके सामने उसके examples, है ना? So that homework is required. So if you have not done it for this first time, I have given a chance, a second chance में सबको दिया है ये time. So if you have not done it, kindly complete it and submit it to me once I share the Google Classroom का link to you all. Okay? No, not cell cycle wala chapter. Tomorrow is cell unit of life wala chapter ka Viva. Okay? Okay. And now the timings for Thursday and Friday shall remain the same. That will be from 8 to 10. So tomorrow also you won't be having a class at 7:30. It will be 8 to 10 only. Okay?
Thank God, ma'am.
What? Thank God, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 7:30 को उठ के बैठना मतलब आँख में नींद and stuff.
आँख में नींद. डॉक्टर्स को कभी भी कितने भी बजे भी उठ के कुछ भी मतलब
Yes,
पेशेंट
ma'am. Salute to them. They go anytime emergency में.
Then you are my future doctor. So हाँ, ये 7:30 को बजे क्या मैं 6 बजे बुलाऊं तो भी आपको आना चाहिए, 5 बजे बुलाऊं तो भी आपको आना चाहिए. मैं नहीं बुलाऊंगी, टेंशन मत लो. I'm just kidding, okay? So every Thursday, Friday we'll be having a class from 8 to 10. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Come prepared for your Viva. I want everyone to give the correct answers. आज मैंने आप लोग को एक chance दिया है that you have not done the homework. Tomorrow you will not get a chance. Is it fine? Thank you, Prachi. Chalo, bye bye. See you all. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow exactly at 8 again. Okay. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta.